Every time I head out to film, I tell myself the same thing. Keep it light, keep it simple, but somehow it always turns into a full production. Tripods, mounts, memory cards, cables, everything dangled up. And before I even hit record, I've already lost the moment. So this time, I decided to switch things up. I brought something lighter. This is the XTRA Edge Pro. This little camera is supposed to make filming as easy as it looks. No complicated setup, just point it out and press record and you're ready to go. Today, I'm taking it out to the park. I've got the car, a couple of mounts, my rollerblades, and I want to see if the camera can actually keep up. The first thing that stood out to me was just how simple the interface is. It's clean, minimal, and it's super fast. You power it on, swipe once, hit record. That's literally it. There's no deep menu diving, no endless button combination, and both screens are touch enabled, front and back. So whether you're behind the camera or facing it, you can frame your shot perfectly without guessing. It feels modern, like a smartphone built for action. And even though it's packed with all that tech, it only weighs 147 grams. That's light enough to carry without worrying about the weight. It's solid and compact. Like, you could always keep this camera on you. The next thing I absolutely love about this camera, it has 45 gigabytes of internal memory cards. No adapters, no SD cards. I can even count how many times I've been ready to shoot something only to realize the SD card is still sitting in my computer from my last night edits. With this, it's always ready. You power it on, hit record, and it just works. And that right there, that's when the best stuff happens. When you don't have to think about it, you just capture the moment while it's still happening. Now, let's talk about the image quality, because that's where I was most curious. The XTRA Edge Pro has a 1.3 inch sensor up to 60 frames per second, and you could also shoot in log. That means dynamic range, rich colors, more details. If you're into color grading, you'll love the flexibility that the X-Log offer on this thing. This isn't just for daylight, it actually handles low light really well too. When the sun drops, I switch to 4K night view mode, and the color temperature sensor balance everything automatically. No weird tints, no blown out lights, just natural, accurate colors. Whether it was under street lamps, LED strips, or passing headlights of other cars, the camera stayed consistent and the footage looked beautiful. Now, stabilization, that's usually the deal breaker when it comes to action cams, right? But here, the XTRA Edge Pro honestly surprised me. It has motion, master, and tilt guard, and together they keep your footage locked to the horizon. I mounted to my head, I went rollerblading down the park, and even with all the little bumps and wobbles, the footage came out buttery smooth. Every curve, every pothole I was hitting, it was just locked in. At one point, I said, I'm out here ripping and shredding through the pavement, right? The camera makes it look like I'm a pro, like I'm flying. And honestly, I'll take that illusion all day. That's what's impressive. It doesn't matter if you're moving fast or just cruising. The stabilization keeps it cinematic. The mount system might actually be my favorite part. It's magnetic and it snaps on instantly. No screws, no wasting time trying to line things up. I used the curve mount on my car for rolling shots. Then when I was done driving, I just popped the camera right off and attach it to my handheld tripod, which has the dual facing mount adapter for a quick transition. It's smooth, fast, and honestly, one of the most practical mounting systems I've ever used. Those few seconds you save when switching setups, that's what helps you catch moments other cameras would miss. Then there's the slow motion. And I'm not talking about the typical 120 frames per second kind of slow motion. I'm talking about 32 times infinity slow-mo. Every movement looks like something straight out of a commercial. The detail stays sharp, the motion looks fluid, and it adds a completely different vibe to your edit. Even something simple like dust kicking up behind the wheels, it just turns into this cinematic sequence that just looks expensive. And the best part, you don't even have to touch post-production to make it look good. It comes out buttery, smooth, straight out of the camera. With the battery life, this thing can run for around 4 hours straight. I shot all afternoon, car shots, rollerblading, slow motion tests, and I didn't see the low battery warning once. and I plugged it in. It was charging so fast, it was ready to go again. Plus, it's waterproof up to 65 feet, cold resistant. You don't have to baby it. Just mount it and go shoot it. It's gonna perform. The human subject tracking is also spot on. It locks onto your face and keeps you centered automatically, even if you move around the frame. That's perfect for vloggers, content creators, or anyone filming solo. So yeah, pro-grade image, crazy good stabilization, built-in storage, and mounts that actually make sense. The XTRA Edge Pro makes it easy to create anywhere. I will leave the link in the description below. Whenever you're ready, hop down there and grab your XTRA Edge Pro. I'm Sebastian from Tech Utopia, and I'll see you folks next time.